know, just let him do what you want. What's going on? Okay, so it's level at the minute. Jack goes in. Tom's got a sock.
James.
Jack, oh, Jack's in. Split it. Christian's back in as well. Chaz. Eugene's in it. Mitch. Okay, so Eugene's back out. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for this. Let's give them some encouragement. 10 socks, okay, so let's have a quick count up. Tom and Sam have got 4 at the minute. It's 5 for Christian and Jack, and it's 6 for Eugene and Chaz in the early lead. 7 now for Eugene and Chaz. Okay. How many have we got at the end there? Is that 8? 8 at the end then.
How many socks, James?
One more to get for Chaz and Eugene. And this Christian, is that 10? Okay, and that's the winner then, Eugene and Chaz Davies. And I really haven't got anything else to say.
Lovely stuff, ladies and gents. They're good in form. You've even got one of them in his pants for you, ladies. Give them a massive round of applause, ladies and gents. They've entertained you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have got a little something to say. Well done and thank you to the team that did their best. So if we just turn around, we'll make a quick presentation. Kindly sponsored a bottle of Prosecco, one of our series sponsors this year. Okay.